In this video, we will see title reveal or a text reveal in Adobe Premiere Pro. Click a type tool and type any text. Then repositioning your text by clicking the selection tool. Then go to window and here are essential graphics. You can make your text vertical and horizontal center. You can also change the font type of a text. Then go to graphics and add a new rectangle layer and put this rectangle on your text. Then create a mask with shape. Then go to effect control and choose the shape and here are a transform. Using this value, you can hide your text. Then add a keyframe. Go to few frames and change this value of a transform position. And let's play. But text reveal is too much slow, so you can do it fast. You can change this keyframe values. Now it's much faster. Then select all the two keyframes and right click and add a temporal interpolation. There are many. Let me choose ease in. So this is the text reveal in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.